This auto sickle is an Allcut model. It measures approximately 44 inches in length by approximately 13 inches in height by approximately 2 feet in width. Actually about 22 inches, but about 22 inches in width. This Allcut model does work. It is missing a second blade right here, but it does work, and it will be available for purchase on our eBay site. I will box and ship this auto sickle to the continental United States. I will not ship this through the global shipping program overseas. It will be disassembled right here at the handle. A custom box will be created that cushions it as much as possible. Auto sickle, Allcut, from the 1920s and early 1930s.